KOLAR DAM, the hidden gem of Bhopal. Hello friends, today I am taking you to a hidden gem near Bhopal, KOLAR Dam. Just 35 kilometers away from the city, this place is not only the lifeline of Bhopal's water supply but also a peaceful nature escape. Let's begin this journey together. The road to KOLAR Dam is an experience in itself. On one side you see endless greenery, on the other, as we move along the winding road, the world slowly changes around us. The noise of the city fades away, replaced by the gentle hum of cicadas and the rustle of leaves in the wind. On both the sides, the forest rises like a green walls, dense sal, teak and bamboo trees standing tall, their branches arching overhead to form a natural tunnel. Golden sunlight sneaks through the canopy, painting the roads in patches of light and shadow, as if the forest itself is alive and breathing. The air here feels different, cooler, fresher, carrying the scent of wildflowers and moist earth. This route also passes near the tiger reserve zone, and the thrill of the jungle deepens with every kilometer. Somewhere in the distance, a langur leaps across the branches. Deer stand frozen for a moment before disappearing into the thickets, and the alarm clocks the bird's echo, a reminder that king of the jungle may be not so far. Every curve of the road feels like a secret being revealed, sometimes opening to a vast stretch of shimmering water, sometimes narrowing into dense green corridors. Driving here isn't just travel, it feels like entering a living, breathing sanctuary where nature rules and we are only guests. And here we are at KOLAR Dam. Look at the stunning view, calm waters, open skies, and silence that takes you away from the chaos of city life. KOLAR Dam is built on the KOLAR River, a tributary of the mighty Narmada. The dam is about 45 meters high and nearly 590 meters long. What makes it more special is that it supplies around 60% of Bhopal's drinking water. So this place is not only scenic but also a lifeline of the city. Hello Tashi. Wow. And here we are at KOLAR Dam. Look at the stunning view, calm waters. KOLAR Dam is slowly becoming a favorite spot for nature lovers. You can go for boating, bird watching, or just sit by the water and soak in the peace. And the best part, it is not overcrowded, so you really get the enjoy of calmness of nature. KOLAR Dam is built on the KOLAR River, a tributary of the mighty Narmada. The dam is about 45 meters high and nearly 590 meters long. What makes it more special
तो
is
अब
that
फाइनली
it
हम यहाँ
supplies around
कोलार डैम
60%
पर
of
आ चुके हैं
Bhopal's drinking
और
water.
ये बहुत ही
So this
खूबसूरत
place
एक्सपीरियंस
is
है.
not
इट्स
only
लवली
scenic
और
but also a lifeline of the city.
मस्त एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. मॉनसून्स है यहाँ पर और मॉनसून्स में आसपास चारों तरफ एकदम हरियाली ही हरियाली है.
But a small word of caution, the dam doesn't have many safety measures, especially during the monsoons. The water level rise quickly. If you visit, stay alert and avoid going too close to the edges. So friends, this was KOLAR Dam, Bhopal's hidden treasure. If you ever come to Bhopal, don't miss this spot. This place is the peace, beauty of this place will stay in your heart forever. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel stories. See you in the next adventure. Until then, safe travels.
हाय, आप सब लोग कैसे हैं? आज हम लोग कोलार डैम आए थे, तो मैं आपको व्यू दिखाती हूँ. ये देखो कितना सुंदर व्यू. यहाँ पर घर है और जंगल है. यहाँ पर सामने बड़ी पापा और पापा चल रहे हैं. छोटा कर देती हूँ.
किधर से ले रहा है? इधर से ले रहा हूँ। ऐसे ही है।
लाइट सेटिंग स्टार्ट
इधर से ले बेंच वाली। ये पूरा यहाँ आएगा, पीछे नहीं आएगा।
अभी
वो इधर आ जा।
अभी बस हम लोग हैं यहाँ पर। मम्मा आराम से वो बैग के साथ साथ दरी सब चला जाए। वो देखो वहाँ पर ऐसा मतलब वो दिख रहा है, ऐसा हाँ, ये